This video will demonstrate how to replace the seal assembly on Munro LP Series centrifugal pumps. Safety alert. In order to access the seal, you must remove the motor assembly from the pump body. Be sure to depressurize and drain the pump before removing the motor. And as with any project that involves electricity, always disconnect the power supply before servicing the unit. Before you begin, gather all necessary tools. 5-pound mini sledgehammer, large chisel, 5/8 inch combo wrench, socket, and ratchet, 7/16 inch socket, 16 inch channel lock style pliers, thin profile 9/16 inch combo wrench, flathead screwdriver, slip joint pliers, grease, the wheel bearing waterproof kind. Step 1. Remove the case bolts and pump body from the motor assembly. Find the bolts located on the back of the pump case. Remove all 4 bolts using the 5/8 inch combo wrench, socket, and ratchet. Using the large chisel and 5-pound mini sledgehammer, carefully tap between the motor and pump body. This will make it easier to remove the motor, as well as protect both the pump and motor from damage during removal. Carefully remove the motor from the pump body and set it vertically on your workstation, diffuser side up. Inspect and move the gasket. Step 2. Remove the diffuser bolts and diffuser from the motor assembly. Find the 2 bolts on either side of the diffuser. Remove both bolts using the 7/16 inch socket. Step 3. Insert a 9/16 inch skinny open-end wrench into the side of the mounting ring, slowly turning the impeller until this wrench seats itself onto the flats of the shaft. For the LP1502B, use a 5/8 inch open-end wrench. Once properly seated, the wrench will keep the shaft from turning. The LP3005B model uses a keyed shaft and sleeve. Removal of these impellers may require high heat to remove the shaft sleeves. Step 4. Expose the seal assembly by spinning the impeller counterclockwise to unthread it from the motor shaft. Use a 16 inch channel lock style plier on the eye of the impeller to loosen it, allowing for easy hand removal. The seal spring and rotating element will release as the impeller is removed. Step 5. Being careful not to damage the motor shaft, remove the mounting ring to expose the seal head, seat, and rubber in the seal pocket. Find the bolts located around the mounting ring. Remove all 4 bolts using the 9/16 inch combo wrench. Using a flathead screwdriver, gently remove the seal seat and seal head. Step 6. Once the seal is removed, clean the pocket by removing all debris and using a lint-free rag and isopropyl alcohol. Now that we've removed the old seal, let's install the new one. Step 1. Insert the seal seat rubber gasket into the recessed area of the mount ring. Helpful tip. New seals come with packing to allow you to safely insert the seal seat while keeping it clean. Step 2. Reinstall the mount ring to the motor assembly by rethreading the 4 bolts from part 1, step 5. Step 3. Once the mount ring is back in place, install, flush with the seal seat, the rotating element onto the motor shaft. Step 4. Next, install the spring and impeller and bolt the diffuser onto the motor assembly using the 2 bolts from part 1, step 2. Use the open-ended wrench on the shaft slots to hold the shaft still while rethreading the impeller. Center the diffuser so the impeller is not rubbing. Apply grease to the housing gasket and diffuser gasket. Step 5. Finally, replace and bolt the pump body to the motor assembly, using the 4 bolts from Part 1, Step 1. You have now successfully replaced the seal on a Munro LP Series centrifugal pump. Questions? Contact Munro Technical Service, 800-942-4270.